So I saw this guy last time, and that's his girlfriend over there. That's his little son, Alan.
Kiss. Go, Skylar. Me taking Skylar on a ride with a horse.
Hey. I saw this guy last time. Hi, buddy. Okay. These cattle. Grass-fed ground beef right here. This little chicken's running. Here. Oh, okay.
Let's just see one out there.
Marvin.
Você rodudinho. Eu guardo porque o nosso quintal às vezes alaga, né? Aí pra ir lá fora.
Não casou comigo? Não.
Come here. He's scared. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Nope.
A washer and a dryer. They don't use dryers here, but they have dryers.
That's good.
Because it's just so hot and everything dries so fast. Those are that evil mosquito with like a huge butt. Vamos comprar uma máquina de lavar e onde secar? Pra chácara? Você viu lá na outra chácara?
Just picking out some fresh mangoes.
Capybaras eat the rest.
Okay.
So my dad did the bags of concrete.
Uh-huh.
The water washed out the wrapping, but the concrete stayed. Look at that flower.
Wow.
Pai, que planta é aquela? That tree. There's a fence there where it divides my dad's property. The tree grew around the fence. You see the barbed wire?
Uh-huh.
E ela nasce nessa árvore, ó.
And look your head right there.
My hand?
Head.
Oh, head. It's behind the couch?
See?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Can you see the... Aí, pai, furacãozinho. No, because I'll live here and I'll help my dad grow his business. Look as florzinhas e tudo. Se elas estão feinhas, ele arranca. This one is like this. That one is like that.
What's your favorite?
This one, but in pink. Little bee bun.
Fresh delivery of flowers. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Not good. They're too tiny for this. Snakes will take them. Não pisa nas plantas, menino.
Come on. Good job on the flavs.
Eu sei só a gente pegar o pão lá em cima, lá.
Our boys are coming home with us for lunch. Wait your turn, Skippy. Come on. Oh. Good boy. Hi, buddy. The tail.
No one knows what it's like to be the bad man, to be the sad man behind blue eyes.
So who did this house belong to?
To a sheik. Is that how you say it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the kitchen. Look at the kitchen. It's so big. This is like 1990s.
Tell me some more fun facts.
I don't know.
So the maids were out in this yard.
I know, like, you saw how my grandfather's house is there. It's 3 times the lot.
Oh my God. Beto, hey, hey. Bruh. Got my boys out there. So this one is a lot more trusting than this one. This one is a little skittish. I mean, hi little man, hi little man. Oh, look at this guy. Dice it up, baby, dice it up. Is this the Brazilian Oakley? Oh my God, this dog's coming after it. Come here. Vem cá. Vem cá. No. The Brazilian Oakley. Skippy and Rocky have been sleeping here every night. 2 ducks.
Touches the plant, it burns the plant.
Mm-hmm. Just out here chilling with the boys. Say what's up. Say oi. Fala oi.
Oi.
Picking this mango.
That's how it is in the farm. Peel off.
Mmm.
See how my dad does?
Come on. Cut it out. Cut it out. Rocky, cut it out. Clara's staying out of it. Come on, buddy. Rocky bullies Skippy. Rocky, you gotta stop that. Oh, that's good. That's Matt. Okay, boy.
Vai entrar lá no...
The dog, the
Deu a
frog.
volta na casa, vai! Vai, só pra mim!
There's a monkey up there. Rocky really wants it. Get it, Skippy. Say my final goodbyes to the dogs. This dog is so sweet. We're going to be doing this puzzle to wrap up the trip.
What I did was Skylar did.
No, não, verdade.
É verdade.
It's coming.
É verdade, esse bilhete. Here. This one.
Yay.
It's easy.